A to Z of Pussies. A to Z of Pussies by Jen Genevieve. Aromatic pussy. Bald pussy. Celibate pussy. Dry pussy. Poor thing. Eat pussy. Fat pussy. Ginger pussy. The ginger pussy would have its legs spread open. I'm sorry, redheads. I love you, but the spiciness stereotype is so true. Hairy pussy. Itchy pussy. Judgmental pussy. You've got no chance. Kissable pussy. I'm gonna leave that alone. Loose pussy. My pussy. Fingers. That's mine. No pussies allowed. Outie pussy. Pics of my pussy. Quirky pussy. Ravenous pussy. Dreaming of sausages. Stretching pussy. Notice it's orange again. Tough pussy. Ultimate pussy. 5 stars. Vibrating pussy. Wet pussy. X-rated pussy. Yeasty pussy. Zen pussy. And that's the end of the book about pussy cats. You hear me, TikTok? Pussies, as in pussy cats.